Hello and welcome back, friends. If your hands have ever felt tingly, numb, or even a little burning, especially at night or after using them for a while, you're not alone. Millions of older adults experience this strange and uncomfortable sensation every day. But here's something most people don't realize. Tingling hands can be your body's early warning system telling you that something isn't right inside. It could be poor circulation, nerve stress, or even early signs of nutrient deficiencies. And sometimes, the very foods we eat every day might be making it worse. In today's video, we're going to talk about 8 powerful fruits rich in collagen-supporting nutrients that help soothe, repair, and even reverse damage from the inside out. But before we get to those healing fruits, we need to talk about the foods that may be silently harming your body, especially your nerves, skin, and joints as you age. This information could make a real difference in how you feel every day. So stay with me, and let's go step by step. Let's start with something important. As we get older, our bodies naturally slow down the production of collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm, our joints flexible, and our nerves protected. But what if I told you some common foods actually speed up that loss and make symptoms like tingling hands worse? Here are 3 of the most damaging ones. I know it's hard to hear, but sugar is one of the biggest culprits. Excess sugar in your diet causes a process called glycation, which breaks down collagen and leads to inflammation. That inflammation, it can irritate nerves, reduce circulation, and make tingling and numbness more frequent. And we're not just talking about candy or desserts. Hidden sugars are in white bread, cereals, ketchup, even so-called healthy yogurts. So if you're noticing more tingling in your hands, try cutting back on processed sugars. Your nerves and your collagen will thank you. Cold cuts, sausages, and bacon might be convenient, but they're loaded with preservatives and sodium nitrates that can inflame your blood vessels. Poor circulation is a major contributor to tingling hands and feet. And these meats also contain advanced glycation and products. Yes, they're really called that, which directly destroy collagen. Instead, opt for lean proteins like grilled chicken, wild-caught salmon, or even plant-based options like lentils and beans. While an occasional glass of wine is fine, regular alcohol consumption can dehydrate your tissues, slow collagen production, and worsen nerve health. Chronic alcohol intake has been linked to a condition called alcoholic neuropathy, which directly damages nerves, especially in the hands and feet. If you're feeling frequent tingling and drink alcohol more than a couple times a week, it's worth cutting back and seeing if symptoms improve. Now, let's shift gears. If those are some of the foods that silently damage aging bodies, what should you eat instead to rebuild collagen and soothe those tingling sensations? In the next section, we'll go over 8 fruits that are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and natural compounds that boost collagen, protect your nerves, and keep your hands feeling strong and comfortable. Each of these fruits is not only easy to find, but also delicious and backed by science. We'll also talk about the best ways to enjoy them, when to eat them, and what nutrients make them especially powerful for nerve and skin health. So don't go anywhere, because these fruits can make a world of difference. Coming up next, the number 1 fruit that acts like edible collagen for your joints, skin, and hands. You probably already have it in your kitchen and don't even know how powerful it is. Now that we've talked about the foods that quietly damage collagen and nerve health as we age, it's time for something far more exciting: the healing part. These 8 collagen-supporting fruits are simple, natural, and incredibly powerful for helping older adults reduce tingling in the hands, boost circulation, and keep skin, joints, and connective tissue strong. And best of all, they're delicious. Let's start with the first one, which I call nature's version of edible collagen. Guava isn't just a tropical treat, it's one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, even higher than oranges. Why does this matter? Because vitamin C is essential for your body to make collagen. Without it, your body can't build or repair connective tissues properly. Guava also contains lycopene and antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, another cause of nerve irritation and aging skin. Try slicing fresh guava into your morning oatmeal or enjoying it as a midday snack. 1 fruit a day can go a long way toward keeping your hands strong and your skin glowing. Kiwi is another vitamin C-rich fruit, but it also contains vitamin E, which protects nerve membranes and reduces inflammation. Plus, kiwi is high in fiber and enzymes that improve digestion. Why is that important? Because poor gut health can reduce nutrient absorption, including collagen-building nutrients. Eating 1 to 2 kiwis a day can help your body regenerate nerve linings, support healthy blood vessels, and reduce the frequency of tingling or numbness. Pro tip: eat the skin. Yes, it's edible and it contains even more fiber and antioxidants. All berries are amazing for aging adults, but blueberries and strawberries shine when it comes to collagen support. They're full of anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that protects collagen from breaking down. Studies show that these compounds help strengthen capillaries and nerve endings, which means better circulation to your hands and feet and fewer tingling sensations. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, or simply eat a handful after meals. Even frozen berries retain their powerful nutrients. Papaya contains enzymes like papain, which reduce inflammation and help your body absorb collagen-supporting minerals more easily. It's also a great source of vitamins A and C, which work together to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity and joint function. And here's something interesting: papaya also supports the myelin sheath, which protects your nerves like insulation on a wire. Keeping that layer healthy is key to reducing tingling and numbness. Try eating papaya fresh or blended into a morning smoothie with a touch of lime juice if you struggle with cold or tingling hands. Pomegranate may be your new best friend. It's packed with polyphenols, which improve blood flow and encourage the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues including nerve endings in your hands. Better circulation means better healing, better collagen delivery, and better nerve support. Drink a small glass of 100% pomegranate juice, no added sugar, or sprinkle the seeds over your salad. Now we've already covered 5 powerful fruits, but we're not done yet. The next 3 include one that's often overlooked, one that's been used in ancient medicine for generations, and one that can actually protect the collagen you already have from breaking down. They're especially helpful for older adults managing neuropathy, skin thinning, and joint stiffness. Stick with me because you might want to add these to your grocery list today. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps more older adults find natural health solutions just like this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love to have you as part of our growing community of wise, wellness-focused friends. Now ready to finish the list. We'll go over the final 3 collagen-supporting fruits next. And how to use them every day to feel better, move easier, and stop those tingling hands. We've already gone through 5 of the best collagen-supporting fruits for older adults, and now it's time to finish strong with 3 more fruits that are not only packed with powerful nutrients, but also have a long history of being used for nerve and joint support. These next fruits are especially helpful if you're dealing with numbness, nerve pain, or even skin thinning that can come with age. Let's jump in. Collagen, but they're actually rich in copper, a trace mineral that plays a direct role in collagen cross-linking. That means helping collagen form a strong, stable structure in your skin and connective tissues. Figs also support nerve repair, thanks to their magnesium and B vitamin content, especially B6, which is essential for proper nerve function. Fresh or dried, figs are a great addition to your daily snack routine. Just be mindful of portion size. Dried figs are concentrated in natural sugar, so a few go a long way. Try pairing them with a few nuts for a blood sugar-friendly, collagen-boosting treat. Mulberries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and modern research now shows why. They contain resveratrol, the same compound found in red grapes, which helps protect collagen from breakdown, fights oxidative stress, and may support the regeneration of nerve tissues. Mulberries are also high in iron and vitamin C, which help improve oxygen delivery to your nerves and skin. You can enjoy them fresh in season or find them dried year-round. Sprinkle a handful over oatmeal or stir into plain yogurt for a delicious and healing breakfast. We saved this one for last, not because it's rare, but because it's so effective. Oranges, lemons, limeys, and grapefruits are all rich in vitamin C, bioflavonoids, and antioxidants that are essential for daily collagen formation. But here's something important: the white inner peel, that stringy stuff we usually pull off. It's called pith, and it's loaded with hesperidin, a compound that improves blood vessel strength and nerve protection. So next time you peel an orange, don't throw all that white part away. It's part of the healing magic. Squeeze lemon into warm water in the morning, snack on orange slices in the afternoon, or add lime juice to salads and soups. Citrus fruits are a simple, daily way to support collagen and keep tingling sensations in check. There you have it, 8 collagen-rich fruits that support nerve health, circulation, and skin elasticity, all of which can help reduce the tingling, numbness, or discomfort that's become too common with age. You don't need to eat them all every day, but even just adding 2 or 3 of these fruits into your daily routine can make a noticeable difference. over time. Before we wrap up, let's talk briefly about how to include these fruits in your diet to get the most out of their collagen-supporting benefits. Here are a few simple tips. Eat them fresh whenever possible. Whole fruits provide the fiber and full nutrient spectrum your body needs. Pair fruits with a source of protein or healthy fat like nuts, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese to slow sugar absorption and support steady energy. Blend a few of these into a morning smoothie for an easy, quick way to load up on healing nutrients. Rotate your fruits throughout the week to get a broad range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And remember, collagen support is not just about what you eat once, it's about building daily habits that keep your skin, nerves, and joints strong as you age. Aging doesn't have to mean discomfort, tingling hands, or stiff joints. With the right foods, we can give our bodies the tools they need to heal, protect, and thrive. If today's video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about who might also be dealing with nerve issues or collagen loss. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one, where we explore the gentle, natural ways to feel better and live stronger at any age. Until next time, stay well, stay kind to yourself, and remember your health is in your hands. Literally. Soft outro music fades in. Screen displays. Subscribe for more senior wellness tips. See you next time.